CoinMarketCap Diamonds are a reward system for engaging with the platform, allowing users to earn points and redeem them for exclusive rewards. Here's how to use them. Earn diamonds. Log in daily. Visit CoinMarketCap and log into your account every day to claim diamonds. The reward increases with consecutive logins. Complete tasks. Participate in activities such as quizzes, referral programs, or event challenges to earn additional diamonds. Track your diamonds. Navigate your diamonds dashboard by clicking the diamond icon in the top menu. Here, you can see your total diamonds, earning history, and streak progress. Browse rewards. Go to the rewards store on CoinMarketCap to explore available items such as NFTs, merchandise, premium content, and cryptocurrency-related rewards. These offerings change periodically. Redeem diamonds. Select the reward you want and ensure you have enough diamonds to redeem it. Click redeem and follow the instructions to claim your reward. Some rewards may require linking wallets or providing additional information. Stay updated. Regularly check for new opportunities to earn diamonds and updated rewards to maximize benefits.